Hi, my name is Irene Reyes, Chef de Cuisine at Black Oak Café, and today I would like to present to you the 10-inch round grill pan. Today I would like to do a demo on how to make a sizzling mixed seafood over 5-blend quinoa. First, make sure that your pan is a little hot. Just a little bit of olive oil there. Minced garlic. Make sure they don't burn. Put a little bit of shrimp. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. You can see it's really nice grilling shrimp there. Can add a few mussels. That's how the product should be. And some clams. Beautiful. Can add a little bit of seafood broth. I just added some ginger powder. Can add a little more. Really brings the flavor out. And if you want a little spicy, you can add your chili paste. A little bit of white wine. I'll let it sit and cook for like 3 more minutes because it doesn't take that long to cook that seafood. You can turn up the heat a little bit. So wait a little bit until that sauce caramelizes, and then you can add more veggies. Hope you guys can smell this. When they open and then you see that color turns vibrant orange, and you can tell they're pretty much done. The shrimp, you don't wait until they curled up too close because or else it's going to be overcooked. You can actually finish this by putting it in the oven for a few minutes before serving it. And for more color, you can add like julienne carrots on top and some green onions. This is the finished product that we did earlier. Just melt the butter. I added some white wine, salt and pepper to taste. This is our 5-blend mixed quinoa.